Andrew with Timelaps Auto. Today we've got a Lincoln SA250, an engine-driven welder with a Perkins 3-cylinder diesel. It's the 3.152. Today we're pulling off the generator so that we can replace the rear main seal. We also have to pull off the injection pump to reseal it. I apologize, I didn't think about making this video before I started, so I'm about 3/4 of the way to having that generator off. But we're gonna do another little time lapse for you and hopefully you enjoy. Well, we got the generator off. Want to show you why we did that. Right there is the rear main seal plate. There's a big rubber seal in there that goes around the crankshaft, keeps your oil inside of your engine, not outside. Well, she's leaking, and so that's why we got to take this bad boy off of this bad boy. This is your armature. This one happens to have a Fowler armature with 7 gears. It's a Fowler mainliner. And if you've never seen the inside of a DC generator, here it is. There's your brushes for the armature. That's where you get all your welding current from. This is your exciter stator. It's also your auxiliary power windings. So this is where you get your power to the plugs. Next step is going to be to take that armature off so that we could get at that seal. And then we'll have to reseal this here injection pump. This guy is your exciter armature. Well, actually, this one would be called a rotor. Feeds DC voltage into those 2 slip rings, and this becomes a 4-pole magnet. Spinning inside a coil of copper wire, aka windings, generates AC voltage. I guess I need to get back to work. You guys have a great day.